next topic in the number system is about the different type of the numbers. In that the first number is the natural numbers. So what is the natural numbers? The counting number is called the natural number. The counting number is called natural numbers. That means, so what are the counting numbers? Here we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So these are called counting numbers. That means the natural number. So the natural numbers will begin with the digit 1. The smallest number in the natural number system is, that is 1. The smallest number of natural numbers is 1. The next one is the whole number. So what is the whole number? The complete set of the natural number along with the zero are called whole number. The complete set of the natural number. So whole number also a natural number, the set of the natural number, but along with the zero are called whole number. So the numbers we can take from 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So what is the least number in the whole number set? That is 0. The next one is about the integers. So what is the integers? Any number that is not a fraction or decimal. So you can take any number like a positive number, zeros and negative numbers also. So for suppose, now here I am going to take like -3, -2, that is the negative numbers, -1, 0, 1, that means positive number, 2, 3, so on. Here you can observe this 1, 2, 3 are called the natural numbers, and along with this 0, the 0, 1, 2, 3, so on are called the whole numbers. So along with these zeros also we have some negative numbers. So this total set is called integers. So what do you know about the integers? Natural number is a subset of a whole number, and whole number is a subset of a integers. So the number what we are taking like a 5, for example 5, the 5 is a number, this is the natural number and the whole number, and it is integer also. And what is the next number is, that is the rational numbers. The rational number means a number which can be written in P by Q form. This is very important. A number which can be written in P by Q form, that means a fraction form. But here P and Q are the integers, but the Q is not equal to 0. That means, for suppose now I am going to take like 2 by 3. Yes, this 2 by 3 is called rational number because we have written in the P by Q form. That 2 is integer and 3 is integer. For suppose if I take like a number 2 divided by 0, this is not a rational number. Of course we have written in the P by Q form, but as per the rule here Q is not equal to 0. So 2 by 0 result is not defined. This is not defined. Okay. For suppose the number I am going to take like a 5 also a rational number because 5 we can write as 5 divided by 1. Here 5 is integer and 1 also a integer. So 5 we can write as the 5 by 1, so that this 5 is rational number. So what we conclude from this, natural number is subset of a whole number, and whole number is a subset of integer, and integer is the subset of rational number. The number like a 5 we are taking, the number belongs to the natural number, whole number, integer and rational. For example, 0 is a number, 0 is not a natural number, so 0 is there in whole number, integer and the rational number. For suppose the negative number we are taking like a -3, the -3 is not a whole number and it is not a natural number, it is a integer and also a rational number. Now can you answer here one question? Give me an example for integer which is not a whole number. Yes, that is the negative number we can take like -1, -2, -3, so on. And can you give me one more example for a whole number which is not a natural number? Yes, that is a 0. 0 is a whole number but it is not a natural number. Can you give me an example for natural number which is a whole number, integer and rational number? Every natural number is a whole number, and every natural number is a integer, and every natural number is a rational number. But every rational number is not a natural number, and every rational number is not a whole number, and every natural number is not a integer. For suppose just 2 by 3 is one of the example, and I am going to take one decimal number like 1.5. The 1.5 is a number, it is a rational but it is not a integer, and it is not a whole number, and it is not a natural number. So for suppose the question is, give me an example for a rational number which is not integer, whole number, natural number. Then you can give an example, maybe it is a fraction number or a decimal number. Okay, so the next one is about irrational number. So what is irrational number? A number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. So what type of the numbers which cannot write in the p by q form? Every decimal number we can write in the p by q form, but some decimals like non-terminating, non-recurring decimals we cannot write in the form p by q. Those type of numbers are irrational number. So what are the non-terminating, non-recurring decimals? That is, in the remaining classes, in the remaining videos, we'll discuss neatly about that terminating and non-terminating decimal. That is completely a decimal concept. Okay, so present here I'm going to give some example for irrational number. That is, you can take √2, √3, and these type of numbers are irrational numbers. But √4 is not an irrational number, because √4 value is 2. So 2 is a rational number. Okay, because 2 we can write as 2 divided by 1, so that it is a rational number. Okay, so that's the reason we can say here √4 or √9 or √16 or √25. These all are the perfect square. This perfect square is not irrational number, those are a rational number. And one more example for irrational number. If I take a number like 2.314 or 2321, so on, this is called non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. This is the example for non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. So these type of numbers are irrational number. So in the remaining videos about decimal numbers, in the decimal number, when we are going to discuss about the decimal number, then you can understand it's very clearly what is the terminating, what is the non-terminating. In the non-terminating, again, what is the recurring and what is the non-recurring. So why the terminating and non-terminating recurring decimal we can write in the form of a p by q, that means it is a rational number. Why this non-terminating, non-recurring decimal we cannot write in the form of a p by q, that means it is an irrational number. So very neatly we discuss in that remaining classes. Okay, so the next topic is about prime number. What is the prime number? The prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Can you give me for some example the number which is divisible by 1 and itself? Yes, first suppose you can take a number like a 2. The number 2, the 2 is not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. Similarly, 3 can divide by 1 and itself. But for example 4, I am taking a number 4, that 4 is, we can write as 1 into 4, that means it should be divisible by 1 and 4. At the same time it should be divisible by 2 also. So these type of numbers are not a prime number. So can you tell me what are the prime numbers up to 20? Up to 20 prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5. 6 is not a prime number because 6 we can write as 2 into 3, so that next number is 7. Don't forget the prime number mean it should be divisible by only one and itself. So the next number is 11. So 11 after we have a 13. The next one is 17 and 19, so on. These all are the prime numbers. So why we call these are the prime numbers? Because the reason is these all numbers are the divisible by 1 and itself. So the next one is the composite number. Look at this example here. 4, that is 1 4s are 4 and 2 2s are 4 we have written. That means this number has more than 2 factors, that is 1, 4 and 2. So we have a more than 2 factor, so that this number is called the composite number. And look at that definition here for the composite number. The composite number which has more than 2 factors are called a composite number. So what are the example for the composite number? That is 4, 6, so on. So best example is which is not a prime number. Those all are the composite number except 1, because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 1 we should not consider here, and we take the other numbers like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, so on. These all are the example for composite numbers. And the next set is even numbers. What is even numbers? A number which can be divisible by 2. For example, I am taking a number like 16. Is 16 divisible by 2? Yes, we write it. 2 8s are 16. Reminder, we got the 0. That means this 16 is exactly divisible by 2. So that 16 is called even numbers. So what are the even numbers we have there? That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, so on. These all numbers are divisible, exactly divisible by 2. And the simple logic, when you have in its unit places like 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 is in its unit place. For suppose, observe here one more time that 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are there in its unit place, so that these numbers are called even number. And give me an example for even number, that is 2020. Is 2020 is an even number or not? Yes, it is even number, because the last digit, that means the unit digit, we have 0, so that it is divisible by 2, so that the 2020, that means 2020 is divisible by 2, so that 2020 is even number. And the next one is the odd number. What is odd number? Here, a number which cannot be divisible by 2. That means the number which can be divisible by 2s are like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. The number which cannot divisible by 2 mean that the remaining number, those are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. These are the odd numbers. For suppose you can take an odd number like 9. Is 9 is divisible by 2. 2 4 times we write here, 2 4s are 8. The remainder we have 1. That means this 9 is exactly not divisible by 2, so that the 9 is odd number. Okay, come on, give me one example for the odd number. That means now I am going to take like a number 2021, 2021. Is 2020 is an odd number or even number? Yes, it is even. No, it is not an even, it is odd number. Why it is odd number? If you observe in its unit digit, we have 1. Okay, we have a 1 here and here. That means the number which can have in its unit digit, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these numbers. So those numbers are definitely it is odd numbers only. That means those numbers are not divisible by 2. And the next one is about ascending order and descending order. For example, I am going to take like some numbers like 345, 726, 349 and 306. Can you write these numbers in the ascending order? Ascending order means that the number which can be written in the smallest to the largest number. So in this all we have the 3 digits numbers only. So every number is a 3-digit number. So now you can check its the highest place value. Highest place value means that means all the 3-digit number, in that the 3-digit number the highest place value is hundreds. 100. So that one more example I am going to take, that is 1029. Now it is the 4-digit number. Now you can check the highest place value in the 4-digit number, that is 1, is belongs to the thousands place. Now the question is here we should write in the ascending order, that means the smallest to the largest. So now you can check it, the highest place values of the 3-digit number, that means the 100th place you can check. Here it is 3 and this is 7 and here 3, so here also 3. So 7 is more than the 3, so that we should not consider that, and the remaining we have there, like here is the 3 and here also a 3 and here also 3. So that in the 3 numbers, the first, the 100 place values is the same, that is 3. So the next one is the 4 here, that means the 10th place, and here we have a 10th place 4, and but here we have 0 in the 10th place, so that 0 is the less than the 4. So we can consider 306 is the first number. After the 306, now we can compare the 345 and 349. So the 10th place here in 345 and in the 349 the 10th place are equal, so that we can focus on its first place. Here it is 9 and this is the 5. So in the 5 and 9, when we compare the two numbers, so 5 is less than the 9, so that we take here 345 is the next number. And the third number, as usual, we have the next one is 349. After this, in the 100th place we have the 7 is the next largest number, so that we can write 726, and the next value is, that means the remaining one we have only one number, that is 1029, and this number is here is belongs to 1000. 1 is belongs to the thousands place, so we can take here the next 1029. This is ascending order. And one more example we can take for now, the descending order. The descending order means the number which can be written from largest to smallest form. So one number I am going to take like 3029, 127, 86, 3001, 3750. Okay, so now we are going to write the largest to smallest number, that means it is a descending order. Now you can check how many 4-digit places are there. Here it is 4-digit number, and this is the 4-digit number, and here it is a 4-digit number, and in the 3 numbers, the first, that means this is the place value of ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So the thousands value of the 3 number is the same, that is the 3. So 3 after next 100th place you can compare, we have a 0 here, and but here also is 0. So next one is the 7. So 7 is more than the 0, so that we can write 3750 is the largest number. The next largest number is when we check this 3029 and 3001. So the 10th place, because 100th place and 1000th place are equal here, now we are focusing on the 10th place 2, and here it is a 0. So when comparing 2 and 0, which one is the more? That is 2. So that 3029 is the next largest number. The next one is, we have the 3001, so we write the 3001. After the 3001, and here we have a 3-digit number, and here we have 2-digit number. So the next preference for 3-digit number, so that we can write 127. The last one is 86. So this is descending order, that means largest to the smallest one. Look at here. So in the number system, the next important topic, the smallest 1-digit number, smallest 2-digit number, smallest 3-digit and smallest 4-digit number. Can you tell me what is the smallest 1-digit number? Yes, that is 1. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. And what is the largest 1-digit number? It is 9. And what is the largest 2-digit number? This is 99. And what is the largest 3-digit number? 999. So the next largest, that means the largest 4-digit number is 9999. The next topic is how many 3-digit numbers are possible. So to find out this one, we should take the largest 3-digit number, that is 999 minus largest 2-digit number should be subtracted 3-digit number to get the number of 3-digit number. So that now I am going to take the largest 2-digit number, that is 99. So 999 minus 99 is equal to 900. That means there are total 3-digit numbers are 900. The total 900 3-digit numbers are possible in the number system. The next one is find the smallest and the largest number formed by the digits like 2085. So to write this type of the number, so first I am going to write about the largest number. What is the largest number in this? So to write this type of numbers, what we do, we should take the highest digit of the number, that is 8. So 8 after the next digit is 5, the 5 after the next digit is 2, and that after the next digit is 0. So 8520 is the largest number formed by the digits 2085. Now we should find what is the smallest 4-digit number formed by the digits 2085. So before going to discuss this one, we will discuss the next problem and then we can come back again to this same question. So what is the next question? Find the sum of the smallest and the largest number. The largest number formed by the 4 digits. So as we discussed before here, the highest number in this 5 digits, the highest number in this 5 digits is 6. And 6 after we have a 5, the 5 after the next place is 4, and after the 2, the next one is 1. So 65,421 is the number which formed by the digits, that means the largest digit with 6, 1, 4 to 5. Now I am going to write the smallest number. So smallest number. Generally, the largest number we have taken with the highest digit, next highest digit, then next highest digit is 4, like that. So similarly, to find the smallest and the smallest number in that given digits, that is 1. So 1 after the next smallest number is 2. Next smallest number is after the 2 is 4. So 4 after we have 5 here, and the last one is 6. Now they asked the sum, so that the total we should take here, that means we have to add 1 plus 6, that is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is the number. So the sum of the smallest and the largest number formed by the digit 6, 1, 4, 2, 5. Now here in the second question, that is the smallest number we should find. I am going to write what is the smallest.
Now you have an idea how to write a smallest number. Yes. So
the smallest digit of the given 4 digits are, that is 0. But a number cannot start with the digit 0, so that we should select the next digit, that is 2. So 0 after the next smallest digit is 2, so we should write first 2. So 2 after, then we can take the digit 0. So 0 after the next smallest digit is 5, and 5 after 8. So finally the number formed by the given digit, the smallest number formed by the given digit is 2058.